Good morning, friends. On behalf of Banking Quest, I, Tilak Gulati, extend you warm welcome. Friends, today we are starting Banking Quest online training program for banks promotional exams. Friends, Banking Quest has been envisioned by senior level bankers with the sole motto of imparting knowledge to bankers and officials working in the finance sector in India. We are achieving this objective through our illustrative website, analytical blogs, trainings, webinars, workshops, articles published in leading financial dailies, and also through our YouTube channel. Friends, we are doing all these activities out of our own passion. We are not charging anything from any of the participants. Friends, I'm happy to announce that in this training program, we have participation ranging from scale 1 up to scale 4, primarily from Union Bank of India. Friends, with immense pleasure, I hereby announce that today we have with us Professor Rajiv Kishore Dubey, former chairman cum managing director of Canara Bank. I welcome you, Professor Rajiv Kishore Dubey, sir. Friends, Professor Rajiv Kishore Dubey is a well-known personality in the Indian banking industry. Though Professor Dubey doesn't need any introduction, but I feel it's my duty to introduce Professor Rajiv Kishore Dubey with all the participants. Professor Rajiv Kishore Dubey, former chairman cum managing director of Canara Bank, is a towering personality in the Indian banking industry. During his tenure in Canara Bank, Professor Dubey turned around the bank by galvanizing the entire staff, turning focus on retail banking, SME banking, and technological advancements. His leadership style has been captured and researched by late Padma Shri Professor Pritam Singh in his book The Leadership Odyssey from Darkness to Light. Professor Dubey has co-authored an e-book on data privacy titled Data Protection and Privacy Implementation, India Perspective. Professor Dubey has been awarded honorary distinguished professorship by Shri Sharda Institute of Indian Management for his research in 2018. Presently, Professor Dubey is associated as mentor, advisor, director of several companies, and is also on board of governors of various academic institutions. These are International School for Inspirational Leadership through Bhagavad Gita, Global Cancer Mission, Shri Sharda Institute of Indian Management, Lal Bahadur Institute of Business Management, Birla Institute of Management and Technology, Golf Course Limited, TKW Institute of Banking and Finance, iTrust Technology and Financial Consulting Services LLP, Astrapia Enterprises, Uttam Galwa, which is now a part of ArcelorMittal Group. Professor Dubey is also an advocate and a part of law firm SNS Legal at New Delhi. The list of achievement of Professor Rajiv Kishore Dubey is very long, which can be viewed on his website www.rkdubey.com. I welcome you, Professor Rajiv Kishore Dubey. Sir, ever since we announced this training program, we received an overwhelming response from different banks. Sir, we have received registration from as many as 79 participants. Sir, we had purchased a classroom package from Google, which can accommodate maximum of 50 participants at a time. Sir, for considering this constraint, we could accommodate only 50 participants in this training program, and we have selected all those participants who belong to Union Bank of India because their promotional test is on 24th of January. So, sir, to accommodate the remaining participants, we are starting another training program from 17th of January this month, and that program will be intensive capsule program for a period of 1 week only, so that participants who could belonging to Union Bank of India, they can also get themselves fully prepared and appear for their promotional test as on 24th of January this year. Sir, Professor Dubey sir, I request you to formally inaugurate this session through your guidance, through your inspirational and motivational words, so that the participants can be imbued with confidence when they are going to appear for their promotional exams. Over to you, Professor Rajiv Kishore Dubey sir.
Thank you, Shri Gulati ji. I am really happy to be associated with you and the banking quest. You have been doing a wonderful things for imparting free of cost this knowledge. They say knowledge is worship, and if knowledge is shared, it is really a great thing. I would appreciate on my part. Yes, a word about pre-promotional test preparation. Well, friends, I can tell you just a few things. I have been a probationary officer. I joined as a management trainee in 1977 in Punjab National Bank. I rose up to general manager, and then I moved to Central Bank of India as ED, and then to Canara Bank as CMD. That means by dint of hard work, you also have, you know, you can have an ambition level to move ahead in your organization, whether it is Union Bank or other bank. If we take Union Bank, your chairman, your managing director, Mr. Raj Kiran Rai, your three executive directors, they have worked with me either in Central Bank of India or in Punjab National Bank. So opportunities are available to each one of you. Who goes up in the hierarchy depends on how well you prepare for your exam. These exams we have also undertaken in the past. Pattern of examination keeps changing. In our time, there were interviews and theory type of written exam. Nowadays, multiple type of questions will be asked to you. You have to give choice 1 out of 4 or 5. You will find daily about 3-hour sessions will be taken, and 1 hour by each faculty along with Shri Gulati ji. After the each session is over, there will be about 5-6 questions asked to you, multiple type. If you have understood the topic well, you will be able to answer them well. Similarly, each day you will be given around 20 odd questions for you to prepare and do well in your homework also. I'll advise you, if there are available in the market some mock questions, mock drill or sample question paper. In addition, you can do exercise them also, because there are limited time for you to answer question. If you devote too much of time in one particular question, it is possible that you will leave certain questions which you knew well. So time management is very important. I am confident Shri Gulati ji and his fellow colleagues will tell you about time management. My experience is, whatsoever we tell you about time management, until you really learn how to manage time, you will feel the problem at the end of the paper. Because the multiple type question, if you devote too much of your time, they say you keep on answering questions. Some of the questions you can answer in 1 second. Some of the questions you may not answer well. There may be many answers out of a question, 2 or 3, where you might have to either guess nearby or you have to think a lot. So from 1 to end, you must run through fast, answering all those questions which you know in 1 second. Then you should come back and ensure that you don't leave behind any question, applying your mind. I have one slogan of my life: work hard, help others, attain excellence. You see, by working hard, I rose up to CFD, and now I am working as a lawyer and as a solicitor also. Gulati ji has worked hard. That is why he rose up in his career, and now he is able to teach all of you young bankers. He is grooming, he is providing education and knowledge. So work hard. There is no substitute of work hard. Even if you learn, you are less sincere. But if you work hard, you can acquire knowledge and you can do well in the exam. I tell you, work hard, strong preparation only will bail you out from the exam. Howsoever tough the exam is, those who work hard, work very sincerely, devote time on the question paper, sample question paper, the knowledge series of Shri Gulati ji. If you go through the YouTube, his YouTube has webinars and a lot of topics which are of interest to you. You may go through, and time is short for you. 15 days is also adequate because you are already a banker. Help others. I am helping you, Gulati ji is helping you, a lot of professors are helping you with no self-interest. If you help in your career to those who come to your bank, whether for depositor, whether for loan, you will find a satisfaction of work. Your own satisfaction is very important. Attain excellence. What we say, whatever you do your best. If you do your best, you attain excellence and you then can help others also. Now, time limit, you have to be very clear. Coverage of question paper. You know, you will find questions on current financial and banking topics. You will find questions on Basel norms, COVID-related norms. You will find questions on general banking, some questions on NI Act, law and practice. In our time, there was a book, Banking Law and Practice by P.N. Varshine. I don't know whether it is available or not, but Gulati ji will give you the capsule of that in a different form. So banking law and practice, law is something different. In practice, we do something different. Why and how? Then you will have to go for economic concepts also, RBI guidelines, various institutions, the the IBC code, the RBI guidelines, the BCSBI, the DICGC, various institutional framework to control the bank, the regulators what we call. So our guidelines are available. I am told that around 95% candidates are from the Union Bank, rest a few from other banks also. For UCO Bank, the test is on 13th of February, but it is still there is a time of about a month. The Union Bank guys, those from scale 1, 2, 3, 4, preparation remaining the same. Questions may be different because the questions are coming from a question bank, IBPS and other organizations organizing them you have. My advice would still be that besides theoretical knowledge, you will have to practice old test papers, mock drill, sample tests for practicing so that you know and you have a confidence to attempt those questions very well. You have a Google Classroom as told to me by Shri Gulati ji, and in that you are having webinars, YouTube things are available, study material is available. You will be asked questions at the end of the day. If you keep testing among yourself, if you make out of 50 or 100 some group of 5-10 questions, don't worry. What you can do, others can also do. You never be shy in sharing the knowledge. Always sharing with the knowledge gets multiplied your knowledge. Right now we are giving only inputs regarding knowledge. Later on, you have to be told about skills also. There are some skills of the banking which are required, and attitude in handling people, seniors, juniors, colleagues. Those things will come later on if you remain attentive to the lecture series and the programs of Shri Gulati ji, which keep on happening almost every Sunday or every alternate day. Nowadays, he will be busy almost every day. He is doing this a service to all of you. It is for you to derive maximum benefit out of that. My dear friends, if you learn the knowledge, your knowledge will go up. If you really devote time sincerely, meticulously, you will be equipped to write exams with confidence and you will score good marks. I will be very happy to see all of you promoted to your next promotion, that is those who are in scale 1 should be moving to scale 2, 2 should be moving to 3. This is how the life journey starts. You know, in a banking career, if you consider MD and CEO as to be the highest post, there are hardly 7-8 promotions in the entire banking career. If you miss any 1 or 2 promotions by say 1 attempt, or you have to write 2 or 3 attempts, you will find your peers, your fellow bankers go ahead and you lag behind. Sometimes in life, it doesn't matter, but if you are conscious of your status and career, you will sometimes feel that you should have done more prepared, you should have done better, then you would have gone up. I think this is the time for you to listen to the banking topics, prepare them, remember them, and also do practice and rehearsal. I leave the things to Shri Gulati ji and his team to impart you knowledge on the topic that you desire. I am confident if you want any other topic also, which are not in the schedule of Gulati ji, if it would be possible for them to arrange their lectures, they will try to engage other faculty members also. Thank you very much. My best wishes to Gulati ji for success of the candidates. My best wishes to the candidates to move ahead in their career. God bless you all.
Thank you very much, sir, for proper guiding to all the participants and your inspirational and moralizing words to us. So, friends, I'm confident that with the motivational address by Professor Rajiv Kishore Dubey, sir, we will all go ahead. We will all proceed ahead in our journey in the life. Thank you, Professor Rajiv Kishore Dubey, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. God bless you. Namaskar.